Hi guys, in today's video we are going to be making a healthy juice. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are welcome to my channel. Do well to subscribe, comment and like my videos. Without wasting so much of our time, now let's jump into the process. To make our healthy juice, we are going to be needing some apples, some kiwis, lemon, celery and some cucumbers. To begin with the process, we are going to cut all our fruit into smaller sizes. We'll start by cutting the cucumbers into smaller chunks. Cucumbers provide a good source of vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium in smaller amounts. These contribute to various bodily functions. Kiwi may improve gut health. The fiber content and presence of probiotics in kiwi contribute to a healthy gut microbiome. This is increasingly recognized as crucial for overall health and well-being. Lemons, on the other hand, are an excellent source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports the immune system, protects against cell damage, and aid in collagen production for a healthy skin and tissues. Apples may improve heart health. The fiber, antioxidants, and potassium in apple contribute to better heart health by lowering cholesterol level and blood pressure. Some studies suggest that regular apple consumption may reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Celery is a good source of vitamins and minerals. It offers modest amounts of vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, and folate. These contribute to various bodily functions, including blood clotting and immune function. After we are done with cutting all the fruits and the vegetables, we then proceed to put them into a slow juicer and blend everything together to extract all the juice. Combining apple, cucumber, kiwi and celery juice creates a beverage with a range of potential health benefits stemming from the individual properties of each ingredient. However, it is crucial to remember that this is not a magical cure for any form of diseases and should be part of a balanced diet and lifestyle. The benefits are largely additive, combining the strengths of each fruit and vegetables. This juice is so refreshing, so hydrating, and packed with a lot of essential benefits. Will you be trying this? If you do so, share in the comment section the outcome. I'm going to see you on my next one. See you all and bye for now.